Hello and welcome to another video from Mom Marketing. Today we're going to talk about images. Mom Marketing uses over 30 systems to increase the value of your company. Some of the areas that we look at are texting, emailing, website building. Today we're going to talk about images. When they make people stop scrolling in Facebook, they help to get your point across. But it's important to pick the right image and the right type of image. This is really your first impression. So Google can read the properties of an image, and this can be helpful. The image needs to be the right size, otherwise it will not display correctly, and all images need to display correctly on your desktop computer and your phone. So where can images be found? The header of your social media accounts, your logo, social media ads, Google My Business, your website, landing pages, email marketing. You engage in photos everywhere. So there's basic 4 types of images: stock photos, user taken photos, a graphic artist, or draw your own. You do need to be aware of copyrights. There's enough horror stories out there that somebody stole a picture and then finally gets sued for it and all that, but just beware of the copyrights. Stock photos, there's millions of stock photos, some available for free, some a small fee, so I'm sure that you can find the right picture. I use 123rf.com because they have a lot of great pictures, a lot of variety, a low price, and important to me, they take care of the copyright issues. Because it is a free or bought picture, the metadata, the information on the back is not going to help you in SEO. So I believe that you should use a mix of photos. The stock photos are usually great to grab the attention, but then as you start to build trust and you're starting to relate to the people that are looking at your pictures, your own photos are going to be more appealing. So user taken photos, you can take a picture of your employees, your office building, out on the job. Nowadays, the cell phones have a great camera on it. If you look at some of the data, it tells you the lat longs, it tells you the time, the day. And with software, you can actually change some of this so that you can put in keywords. You can hire a graphic artist. I like using a graphic artist instead of just a raw stock photo. What I can do is send them 2 or 3 photos or stock images and say, create me something better. And I use Fiverr.com for a lot of these, a good price and usually better than I could have thought of. Or you can draw your own. There's a lot of software out there like Canva that'll help you as you're developing your pictures, you're doing your artist. But I would consider it more of a hobby. If it takes you days to get the right image and you could buy one for $20, then that's your choice. But it's it's a lot of satisfaction in creating a picture yourself. I wanted to give you some resources. Shutterstock has had photos for a long time. Like I told you earlier, I use 123rf. There's free stock photos. There's graphic programs that you can use. On On the free stock photos, sometimes you have to give the artist credit, and you may not want that artist's credit on your picture. So just be aware. So images can really make you stand out in a crowd. If you've got a real nice image that people want to stop and look at. And this is one of my favorite sayings. It's not the strongest of the species that survive, nor the most intelligent, but the ones most responsive to change. Things in technology are on hyperspeed, man. It just changes every day, it seems like. So if you're ready for the change, give me a call, a no-cost appointment, and we can talk about what you're doing, where you're going, and if I can help you get there. Who am I? I've got a small business, ex-Air Force officer, longtime programmer, longtime artificial intelligence programmers, and an avid dog lover. I personally work with companies. We are not an automated, we'll send you a link and you figure it out yourself. And because of that, I think that's why my customer retention is 15 years. Again, here's my contact information. If you got any questions, call, text, email, and I would be glad to have a discussion with you. Thank you for your attention.